Hi, kindergarten scientists. This book is called Let's Visit the Rainforest by Buffy Silverman. A journey to a rainforest. Imagine walking through a rainforest. Monkeys howl from the treetops. Colorful parrots fly overhead. Howler monkeys can be heard from 3 miles, 4.5 kilometers away. Leaves block the sunlight. The air feels damp. Water drips from the trees that tower above you. Tropical rainforests grow in wet places near the equator. There are also temperate rainforests along coastal areas. This map shows tropical rainforests. Tropical rainforest plants grow in layers. Plants compete for sunlight. The lower layers get less light and have fewer plants than the upper layers of the rainforest. More rain falls in this biome, this habitat, than in any other place on Earth. Even when the rain stops, the water keeps falling through each layer of the rainforest. The rainforest can get 80 to 400 inches of rain each year. But it is not cold in the tropical rainforest. The temperature stays between 70 and 85 degrees Fahrenheit all year. Temperate rainforests are not as warm as tropical rainforests. They are farther from the equator. Winters are long and wet. Summers are drier. Animals in the rainforest. There are more kinds of animals in the rainforest habitat than anywhere else on Earth. Many rainforest animals live high in the trees. Harpy eagles make huge nests at the top of the forest. They use their strong claws to hunt for food. Harpy eagles can turn their heads upside down to see their prey. This sloth hides in a tree. Sloths hanging from branches in the canopy. Green algae in their fur makes them harder to see in the tree. White bats roost beneath leaves. They bite the leaves into V-shaped tents to keep dry. At night, they fly and find fruit to eat. Water collects in plants growing in the understory. Poison dart frogs carry their tadpoles from the forest floor to these pools of water. The pools keep the tadpoles safe. This frog in this picture is carrying its tadpoles on its back. Wow. Leafcutter ants cut leaves from rainforest plants. The ants carry the leaves to underground nests. Fungus grows on the chewed up leaves, and then the ants eat the fungus. Animals in the temperate rainforest find food on the ground. Seeds fall from the trees. Birds, chipmunks, and deer gather the seeds. Plants in the rainforest. Plants go everywhere in the warm, wet rainforest. A kapok tree towers over the rest of the rainforest. It can grow up to 200 feet tall. It has wide roots for support. Tree branches and leaves in the canopy act like a roof. The waxy leaves repel water, and the canopy keeps rain and light from reaching the ground. Most fruit grows in the canopy, the top layer, of the rainforest. Some plants in the rainforest do not need soil to grow. Flowers such as orchids can grow on the sides of trees. Orchids have a strong smell to attract birds and insects. Small trees and shrubs grow beneath the other plant, and these plants can grow with very little light. Palms grow in the understory, and they have large leaves to catch light and water. The forest floor is very dark. Only a few plants can grow here. Leaves and fruit fall to the ground and decay quickly. Giant fir trees grow in the temperate rainforest. Mosses hang from their branches. Ferns grow on the ground. Living in the rainforest. Plants and animals depend on one another in the rainforest ecosystem. Trees and other plants grow leaves, fruits, and seeds that animals eat. Butterflies and bats drink nectar from the flowers. They carry pollen so birds can make seeds. Birds eat fruits. New plants grow from seeds in their droppings. Droppings is another word for poop. Toucans swallow fruit whole. They spread fruit seeds in their droppings. Animals that hunt need rainforest trees to reach their prey. Snakes climb the tall branches. There they can find birds, bats, lizards, and monkeys. This green snake is called an emerald tree boa. Dead plants and animals drop to the forest floor. Insects and mushrooms help these plants and animals decay and break down. Everything works together in the rainforest habitat. And that's the end of our book. Here's a page here, the blue side, that talks about people in the rainforest. About 50 million people live in the world's rainforests. The Yanomami people have lived in the rainforest of South America for thousands of years. They use many different plants for food, medicine, and building. People around the world depend on rainforests too. We get chocolate, bananas, and other fruits from the rainforest. We also discover new medicines from rainforest plants. Rainforest trees make oxygen and help keep the air on Earth clean. We must use the rainforest carefully to protect the forest ecosystems. Now, here are some extreme facts. The wettest place in the rainforest is in India. It can get up to 467 inches of rain in a year. The largest leaves are from the Amazon water lily. The leaves can be 8 feet wide. The tallest trees would be in the redwoods in California in the temperate rainforest. So not the jungle, but a temperate rainforest like it talked about in the book. The oldest rainforests are thought to be in Malaysia. They're thought to be 130 million years old. The largest snake is the green anaconda of the Amazon rainforest. It can be way more than 550 pounds. And the smallest monkey is the pygmy marmoset of the South American rainforests, and it weighs 1/4 of a pound. All right, scientists, I hope you continue to have fun learning about rainforests. See you later.